Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing Ariana Grande inspired makeup look. I just saw Ariana wearing this kind of makeup look on Pinterest. I'm not sure from which music video is this from. Just let me know if you know. But it's basically with white liner and it kind of looked like she had a bit red or like a wine red burgundy shade on her crease. So I will try my best to recreate that look. I'm just going to quickly show you how I do my base makeup. I just basically do it almost the same every time, so I will just quickly show it. Then we're going to focus on the eye makeup more. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a bit flu and my nose is kind of blocked, so I cannot breathe through my nose, so that's the reason why I sound a bit sick or weird. Just try to ignore that. Now that I'm done with my base, I'm just going to grab my Anastasia palette and go with antique bronze on my crease with a fluffy shading brush. I like to build it up a little bit more, so it will look more intense. And I will blend all the hard edges with a clean, fluffy blending brush. With a small blending brush, I'm going to take this shade Venetian red and build it up on my crease little by little, and then blend a little bit on my lash line. When I'm happy with the intensity I got, I'm going to take the clean blending brush again and blend all the hard edges. And the two shades I used earlier, I'm going to use it on my lower lash line as well. I'm just going to mix it and use a small brush to blend. I'm going to add a white metallic shade on my inner corner, and I will blend it out from my inner corner a bit. I'm trying to use my finger and my, sponge applicator. Then I will go with my white liner. I'm just using a eyeliner brush for this one. This is actually a white paint, but it doesn't matter, it does the job. I will just create the wing and I will try to make it thicker, the line. And little by little, I will just go over my crease. I will start making the line. This is a bit scary, but trust me, just make small strokes and you'll be fine. I think it looks a bit harsh, so I'm trying to blend my upper line. Then after I blend it, I'm going to take my liner brush again and create a line, following the line I made earlier. Then I'll go for my lashes, just curling it and putting some falsies. I'm trying to save my own eyelashes, so I'm not putting mascara this time. If you have a transparent eyelash glue, maybe use that instead, because it will be more harder. Because now I need to make sure I put my lashes really close to the lash line. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I like to use a cool tone blush so that it will match my eye makeup. Then taking a little bit highlighter on my high points of my face. I'm not sure what kind of color Ariana is using on her lips, but I try to go a bit red, cool tone, almost like a nude lip, but not exactly. This lipstick is matte, so I'm going to top it with some lip gloss to make that glossy effect. And I will clean the edges first. I don't really appreciate the way how it sprays on my face, my fixing spray, so I'm just using my beauty sponge instead by pressing it on my face all over. That way I can finish up my makeup. And let's not forget about Ariana's iconic ponytail. I actually have a video where I'm using these extensions or trying them on. If you want to check that, I will link it down below. And this is the finished look. It's not exactly the same, but it's a recreation, so keep that in mind. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And please, if you enjoy my videos, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye bye!